What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you the creative process involved in the creation of this design from my brand collection. Let's start. Let's start by getting an earth image and importing it into Photoshop. Then we can remove the background and get an emoji face image that we're going to apply over the earth later. The face image will be with a fire texture to make it as if the world was showing its emotions to the space through fire. I'm gonna add a orange drop shadow and a orange-white outer glow gradient that will help to make the whole work very nice. As you can see with these effects, it's more real in a way. But it's not over, we are going to add even other effects to make it even more appealing to the eye. I'm adding a Gaussian blur to the earth since it's too detailed in my opinion, and it will fit perfectly in the kind of scenario that we're going to construct later with all the effects. Then I'll change even the hue of the earth to make it more sunny and yellowish in a way, even more greener in certain parts of course. To wrap up the graphic, I'll add the same percentage of grain effect to all the elements added to make it more cohesive. As you can see, it's pretty amazing. Now let's add my brand's name at the sides of the earth to create a 3D vibe and make it more connected to the idea of the brand. It took a while to make it centered and nice, but I'm finally done. To conclude this back design, I'm gonna add a shade to the text around the earth to make it as if it was real. Now it's time to create a complementary design that will be added to the front and back of this graphic. Off camera I added some text and some elements, but I wasn't completely satisfied since basically there's not a real place to get these elements from. You're just gonna get them from Google or stuff like that. And so I decided to finally use the elements pack gifted by Carlo. They make pretty fire assets and presets that help me create new streetwear graphics, so go check them out in the description. They create cool and fun assets and presets that I personally trust and that they help me create new streetwear graphics and collections, and I really like this specific element, and trust me, it hits hard on every graphic. Here is another example from one of my graphics with this element specific here. I also used other two elements to match my logo icon and the concept I was going for. After I put it on a mock-up, here's the final result. If you like this video, drop a subscribe or a thumbs up, comment below what you think, and take care.